They say that money can't buy love. Which is good, because I don't have any. Still, February 14th is not the day to show up empty-handed. Luckily, there are lots of ways to impress someone on the cheap. Now we show our staff's favorite budget-friendly Valentine's Day gifts for friends, lovers, and loved ones, at prices that you'll love. Number 1, the Bulletproof Diet. Users said. This diet is interesting because it addresses concerns with food toxicity as well as inflammation. Even down to the methods we prepare our food, no more grilling or frying meat. It also addresses concerns with healing the gut and hormones. The idea is becoming bulletproof, which is more than just maintaining a good weight. It's about performing at our maximum capacity, ultimate brain power, energy, and sleep, causing us to live at our personal maximum. I wouldn't say that I'm following this diet precisely, and also probably not realizing its potential, because my initial goal was just to lose 20 pounds. But I can testify it does work well for that purpose. I lost 7 pounds the first week and about 2 pounds per week since. I'm about 7 weeks in. I'm excited to hit my goal in a month or so. My mom was inspired and also started, with a goal to lose 10. She has lost 6 in the first 2 weeks and is thrilled. We're also excited because the diet is so easy for us and delicious. Neither of us enjoys cooking much, so we both follow a pretty simple plan. At first, I was hungry as my body was asking, where went the carbs? But I adjusted and can easily go now without any rumbly tummy or anything. The fats keep me feeling satisfied. Bulletproof coffee for breakfast, delicious. Eating window of 6 to 8 hours, lunch, salad with meat and generous oil, or veggies, eggs in butter or oil, or dinner leftovers. Dinner, meat and vegetables with butter, oil, some nights with white rice or sweet potato. Daily piece of dark chocolate. Check video description to get more details. Number 2, the Keto Reset Diet. Users said. Please read the whole book before you start. I was shocked that they did not talk about magnesium, potassium, and added sodium until chapter 14. You could be 6 weeks into ketosis at that point. Other than that, I liked the book, but it may not be the best for beginners. I would start with Nora Gedgaudas' Primal Fat Burner first, or Dr. Mercola's book, which is more detailed I think, and recommends supplement dosages to help get through the beginning. Also, this book recommends tracking your macros using various apps, but I found the Chronometer app to be easier, and you can set it for keto macros. I think the authors think that if you come from their 21-day paleo, primal LCHF place you will not have difficulties transitioning to keto, but from my experience of being primal very low carb high fat for years, I still had a hard transition. Heavy legs going upstairs, fixed with potassium, diarrhea, low energy, basic keto flu. It took me 6 weeks of being in ketosis, checked by blood ketone monitor, before I felt like I could do my workouts again. I did have to up my thyroid medication, even though most keto experts hate to discuss that this can happen, and I started from great sleep, primal exercise, LCHF, and a compressed eating window with the ability to do 24-hour fasts. It was hard but worth it. Being a woman with low hormones, working with doctor on raising estrogen, progesterone, and testosterone. I still craved sugar even while in ketosis, 1.5 millimeters on meter, but I love not being hungry, being able to go hours without eating and feeling no brain fog. I only mention all this because I don't want people to get discouraged and give up if it is harder than this book makes it seem. Where I think this book excels is transitioning high-carb people to LCHF and then ketosis, and in the sections about athletes. Very worthwhile information. Oh. One more tip. There is a new, as of Sept, blood ketone meter where the strips are much cheaper, Keto Mojo I think it's called. Testing your blood makes all the difference, especially if you are having a hard time in the early days. Check video description to get more details. Number 3, the F-Factor Diet. User said. I've tried other types of healthy eating, but they seem to fall short of helping me achieve my goals. I found this book at the library and its philosophy is so simple it never feels like dieting. As others have posted, increasing fiber is the key. Using MyFitnessPal to track what I'm eating also helps. It helped me to see that even if I thought I was eating healthy, a lot of what I was eating was heavy on the calories. Check video description box. We provide all the Amazon product links. Share this video with your friends. Subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching this video.